And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome as well to the viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Jamaica Defense Force says it's cooperating with the police as they investigate the death of a soldier this morning.
Corporal Sekou Meadow was found dead in a JDF service vehicle along the Norman Manley Highway in Kingston. The scene along the palisades of the Norman Manley Highway in Kingston. Police and soldiers carrying out investigations while others huddled to share information. Minutes later, other individuals arrived on location. One waved to our camera. And then reality, sadness and despair. Reports are that Corporal Sekou Meadow was dead. He had a bullet wound and a weapon was recovered from him. Major Kingston Gunzel of the JDF had little information to share.
The situation is currently under investigation and we are working with our partners to try and ascertain the details surrounding the circumstances of this tragic incident.
Now, sources tell TVJ News that Corporal Meadow's death is being treated as a suspected suicide. Details of his whereabouts before being found in the JDF service vehicle are still being put together. We also understand that the corporal was being investigated following complaints of a sexual relationship with a minor. Major Gunzel did not mention any of those issues, but he had this appeal.
What I'm asking though is for members of the public and members of the media to respect the privacy and be sensitive to the situation at this time, as this is something, as you can expect, affect not just the family and loved one, but also the colleagues of the fellow service member.
The JDF's Chaplaincy and Welfare Department is also providing counseling and support services to the soldiers' family and battalion. If you or someone you know is struggling with their mental wellness, please contact the Mental Health and Suicide Prevention Helpline at 888-NEW-LIFE or 888-639-5433.